Need to replace the convection fan motor on your Pit Boss KC combo? The manual's wiring diagram calls it the draft fan, and you'll hear people call it the combustion fan too. It's the fan that pushes air through the burn pot, and without it, the fire can't breathe. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. About 40 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. But first, power off, cord unplugged, and everything cool to the touch. Then, we can work. This job happens underneath the hopper, so put the grill on level ground and lock the caster brakes before you get under there. Step 2. Underneath the hopper, there's a louved access panel, and the manual is specific about it. 10 screws hold it on. Take all 10 out and lift the panel away. Step 3. Inside, you'll find the hopper's electrics, and the fan is the round housing with the propeller behind it. Its job is to feed air to the fire, which is why a failing fan shows up as a fire that won't hold. Step 4. Before you touch a wire, take a picture of how it's connected. Then, trace the fan's lead to its connector and pull the two halves apart by holding the connector rather than the wires. Step 5. The motor is bolted to the housing around its flange. Take those fasteners out and keep them together because you're reusing them on the new motor. Step 6. Draw the old motor straight back out of the housing, propeller and all. Support it as it comes free so the blades don't catch on the housing on the way out. Step 7. Put the old and new side by side before you fit anything. Check that the shaft and the mounting flange match, and look at the propeller because that's sold on its own. If your blades are damaged but the motor still spins freely, a propeller might be all you actually need. Step 8. Slide the new motor into the housing, keeping the blades clear as it goes in. Line the flange holes up, then start every fastener by hand before you tighten any of them. Step 9. Push the connector back together until it seats and match it to the photo you took. Then, spin the propeller by hand and make sure it turns freely without touching the housing anywhere. Step 10. Refit the access panel and run all 10 screws back in, checking that no wire is trapped under the edge as it closes up. Then, you're ready to test it. Now let's make sure it's working. Plug the grill back in and start it. You should hear the fan spin up within the first few seconds before anything else happens. Then watch for smoke and a fire that catches and holds. And check the control board because there should be no error with the fan icon on the screen. Pass all of these and this repair is finished. 2 questions worth answering. If you're getting an error with the fan icon, is the fan always the problem? Not always. Pit Boss lists that code as insufficient air intake or fan failure, and the air intake vent sits on the bottom of the hopper where it collects dust. Check that it's clear before you replace anything. Second, do you need the whole motor? Not necessarily. The propeller is sold on its own, so if the motor spins freely and only the blades are damaged, that's the cheaper fix. 2 things keep this fan honest. First, once a year, with that same panel off, dust out the interior and wipe the grease off the fan blades with soapy water. Grease on the blades unbalances them and makes the motor work harder than it should. Second, keep the air intake vent clear. Pit Boss names a blocked combustion fan as one of the causes of creosote, and creosote is the thing you genuinely do not want building up in there. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.